Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Hello, second graders. Let's see what we have to do. Come on, I'm going to give you the instructions. Today we are going to use this book, The Bridge, and the page is 12. As you can see, there is a picture and there are some sentences. You have to read the sentences and write yes or no. Okay? Observe the picture and write yes or no for the sentences that we have here. So let's take a better look. Here, letter A. The sentence is you can see an apartment behind the boy. Behind is atrás. You can see an apartment behind the boy. Let's see the picture. The boy is here. Okay? Can you see an apartment behind the boy? Yes or no? You are going to write here. Let's go to letter B. The boy is on his bike. The boy is here and the bike is here. The boy is riding a bike? Yes or no? You are going to write here. Let's go to letter C. There is an animal on the girl's t-shirt. The girl is here. The t-shirt is camiseta. There is an animal on the t-shirt. Yes or no? We're going to write here. Okay? Let's go to letter D. There is a car next to the man. The man is here and the car is here. The car is next to the man. Let's review. What's the meaning of next to? Próximo, ao lado. Okay? The car is next to the man. You are going to write yes or no. Letter E to finish. The man has got a ball. The man is here. Take a look. Is this a ball? The man has a ball. Yes or no? You are going to write here. That's all for today. This activity is very simple and easy. I think you are going to do it in 5 minutes. Okay? See you soon, balloon. Bye-bye, butterfly.